Now the other type is when we're multiplying two binomials that look very similar, but one is a sum and the other is a difference. And if you notice, when that happens, your answer is just what we call a difference of two perfect squares. And so we'll look at a couple of examples using this. Now again, we could use a pattern, but if I just set it up, t plus 5 times t minus 5, and use the FOIL method. First times first is t squared. Outside times outside is minus 5t. Inside times inside is plus 5t. And then last times last would be minus 25. Now, when we go to write our final answer, notice that these two middle terms cancel each other out. So it's t squared minus 25 is your final answer. All right? So again, there is a pattern to this, and this one might be a little easier to recognize. But if you don't recognize that pattern, you can always just multiply it out. So we'll go ahead and multiply out letter B using the box method. And so I'm going to set it up using the box. So across the top I have 3x and y. Down the side, 3x and minus y. So this is 9x squared. I have 3xy. Here I'd have negative 3xy. And here I'd have negative y squared. Because again, negative times a positive is a negative y squared. Those cancel out. So my final answer is 9x squared minus y squared. Which again, if you notice, is a difference. Difference means subtraction of two perfect squared terms.